Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide out-of-stock products from your Shopify storefront. This is a great way to keep your store looking clean, improve the shopping experience, and prevent customers from clicking on products they can't purchase. The process is simple, requires only a few steps, and works with most Shopify themes. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click Products to open your product catalog. Here you'll see all of the products currently available in your store. If you want to hide a single out-of-stock product, click on that product to open its details. Scroll down to the Sales Channels and Apps section and click Manage. Uncheck Online Store, then click Done and Save. The product will remain safely stored in your Shopify admin, but customers will no longer see it on your storefront. If you have several sold-out products, Shopify makes the process much faster. Return to the Products page and use the filters at the top to display products that are out of stock. Select the products you want to hide, choose Bulk Actions, and remove them from the online store sales channel at the same time. This is much more efficient than editing each product individually. Another option is to use automated collections. If your store uses collections with conditions, you can edit those conditions so only products that are currently in stock appear. As inventory changes, Shopify automatically updates the collection, helping keep your storefront organized without requiring constant manual updates. If you're using a Shopify theme that still displays sold-out products, check your theme settings as well. Go to Online Store, click Themes, then select Customize. Some themes include an option to hide unavailable products or change how sold-out items are displayed. If you see this option, enable it and click Save. Once you've finished, visit your storefront and browse several collections to confirm the products are no longer visible. It's also a good idea to test your store on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything displays correctly. Remember that hiding a product is different from deleting it. Your product title, images, description, variants, pricing, and inventory history all remain in Shopify. When you receive new inventory, simply publish the product to the online store again, and it will immediately become available for customers. If you regularly restock products, consider keeping them organized with product tags and collections. This makes inventory management easier and helps Shopify display the correct products throughout your store. You may also want to explore inventory management apps available in the Shopify App Store. Some apps can automatically hide products when inventory reaches zero and republish them once stock is available again. This automation can save a lot of time, especially if you manage a large catalog or frequently sell out of popular products. One final tip is to review your storefront after making inventory changes. Check your featured collections, homepage sections, search results, and product recommendations to ensure they no longer display unavailable items. This helps create a smoother shopping experience and reduces the chances of customers becoming frustrated when browsing your store. And that's it. That's how to hide out-of-stock products from your Shopify storefront. Keeping unavailable products out of view helps your store look more professional, improves customer satisfaction, and encourages shoppers to focus on products that are ready to purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.